How to install Iptv Smarterspro on Roku TV. Looking to stream Iptv on your Roku TV. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of installing Iptv Smarterspro on your Roku TV. Let's get started. First, ensure that your Roku TV is running the latest software update. To check, go to Settings, then System, and select System Update. If an update is available, make sure to install it for the best experience. Unfortunately, Iptv Smarterspro is not directly available on the Roku channel store. So, we'll use screen mirroring to get it into your Roku TV. So first, download and install Iptv Smarterspro on your Android or iOS device. Now, on your Roku TV, press the Home button and navigate to Settings. Go to System, select Screen Mirroring, choose Enable Screen Mirroring. On your Android phone, swipe up to open the Quick Settings menu and tap on Cast or Screen Mirroring. And on an iPhone, swipe down and tap on Screen Mirroring. From the list of devices, select your Roku TV. Your phone's screen should now be displayed on your TV. Open the Iptv Smarterspro app on your phone and log in with your Iptv service credentials, and you should now see or watch the Iptv content directly on your TV screen through the Screen Mirroring feature. Now you can navigate through the Iptv Smarterspro app on your phone and the content will be mirrored directly to your TV. Enjoy streaming your favorite channels. Thanks for watching.